you ever needed a lace zipper but not got one? Well, I'm going to show you how to make your own. And it's very, very simple, and you've probably got everything that you need at home already. The only difference between an ordinary zip and a lace zipper is that a lace zipper is stitched on top of a project rather than underneath. So they usually come pretty much something like this, and you would put it in the design, stitch on top, and that's your zip in place. All you need to make your own is an ordinary zip, it doesn't matter what sort, and a bit of lace or broderie anglaise, and I'll show you what I've got here. I've got an invisible zip here because it's the only ones that I've got, and all I've done is pin some broderie anglaise to my zip, and then I'm going to stitch it on. And the other side. And that's your lace zipper finished, and you use that in exactly the same way as you would a pre-made one.